This was our little B&B room and in Florence, Italy. This was the B&B De Biffi, and it was a great little place. We actually really enjoyed our stay there. Um, my husband likes to joke me and pile all the pillows on my side. Um, Very simple little bathroom, but had everything we needed with a shower. At all the hotels, that's how they present the toilets when they're clean, with the seat up like that. Um, some not much in the way of toiletries, no shampoo or conditioner. These little packets, I think, were some kind of lotion, but I don't speak Italian, so I couldn't decipher it. It did have some hand soap. It had two little nightstands. It had no USB ports in the room, a little refrigerator, a closet, um, and the extra pillows were up in the closet, so we took them down. An extra drawer in there, and a little tea kettle, and they had a breakfast room where in the morning go order your breakfast at, starting at 8 o'clock in the morning, and then you got to have your breakfast delivered to your room, and it had the cutest little balcony. So if you like this video, please click like and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to buy me a coffee, that'll help support my channel. So look at this cute little balcony right around the corner from the Duomo. It's a great place to stay. The bed was a little hard though, the mattress, but still, all in all, a great place to stay. We really enjoyed our stay there. So thanks for watching.